Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here. Today, we're going over hot water tank replacements. We'll go over what your hot water tank does, when it needs to be replaced, and why your old hot water tank can be a risk to your health. So come along with us, and we'll show you what to expect when you book a hot water tank replacement service from John the Plumber. Hot water tanks are the big metal barrels in your home's basement or apartment that sends hot water through your home. These large tanks vary in size and will have a reservoir of water that is heated up and ready for use. Different sizes means more hot water can be used before it needs to be replenished. Hot water tanks typically last 8 to 10 years. You can find an installation date on the hot water tank's serial number, which will indicate the month and year the tank was installed. Check your current hot water tank for this information. If your tank's over 10 years old, it may be time for a replacement. If you live in a condo or apartment building, check with your building superintendent on the building's policy. You may need to update your hot water tank more frequently or less, depending on the building's rules. Age may not be the only contributing factor to replacing your hot water tank. Things like sediment buildup in your tank, rust or corrosion on your current tank, loose fittings, and high pressure can cause your tank to stop working. Other telling signs that your water tank may need replacing are strange noises from the water tank, leaking from the tank, rusty or discolored water, low pressure or low temperature while using hot water, or lastly, bad smelling water. So, why should you replace an old hot water tank? There are some risk factors to using an old hot water tank. Things like mold can grow from the leaks, causing structural risk to your home and health risk to you. An old water heater can cause electrical shortages due to the aging heating element. This can cause blown fuses. Your older tank may have a hard time keeping water pressure. This is because the valves could be failing. Over time, things like sediment and minerals can build up in your tank and valves, decreasing the water pressure. Due to this sediment buildup, it may also cause your water to be overheated to a dangerous temperature. If your hot water tank is located outside, check your tank regularly for damage to the wiring or insulation from wildlife. Lastly, if your water smells odd or like a rotten egg, this could be a sign of a serious problem: sulfate-reducing bacteria. This bacteria can make you sick if ingested. Older water heaters struggle with maintaining temperature, which is key to preventing bacteria growth in your water tank. When you book a hot water tank replacement service from John the Plumber, one of our skilled and friendly professionals will come out to your home, assess your hot water tank, and determine if your tank can be repaired or is needed to be replaced. With over 15 years of installing, replacing, and repairing hot water tanks in Ottawa, John the Plumber is your trusted choice for the job. We'll go over the job in detail with you so you're left with no surprises and have a full understanding of the work we've done. After the job is done, we'll clean up, leaving your home as clean as it was as when we arrived. If you've noticed your hot water tank is making strange noises, has low water temperature, has low water pressure, has a rusty or discolored water, or if your current tank is leaking or has an odd smelling water, then reach out to John the Plumber. Replacing your hot water tank can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Call us or book online for a hot water tank replacement, repair, or installation service or consultation today.